Let's add a data set to a group. As an admin, I'm going to have some tabs at the top here that are not available to standard users. And the data sets will be created by us, by BMI. So when you log in, you will see which data sets you have access to. And then to allow users to access those data sets, you'll need to add a data set to a group if there's not a default group already created. So first, you're going to go to Groups. And in most cases, there will be a default group available that was created by BMI. But let's say you wanted to create a new group so only certain users could have access to a certain data set. You would have added the group, which you can see in our How to Create Groups video. And then when you have that group, let's say this one here, Confidential Test, you're going to go to the right, click on the Dataset button, and then you're going to find the dataset or datasets that you want to add to that group. In this case, let's add this one here. You click Add Dataset, and now you'll see that the assigned datasets to the group Confidential Test includes the dataset we just added, Fiche Samples 6.5. So if you're a user that is assigned to the Confidential Test group, you will have access to this dataset. If you are not assigned to that group or you're assigned to a different group, you will not have access to this dataset.